The overpopulation of wild boars in North America is a serious problem that poses a significant threat to ecosystems and agriculture. These boars are not native to North America but were introduced by humans and have gradually become out of control. North American wild boars have strong reproductive capabilities and adaptability, lack natural predators, and excel in adapting to various environmental conditions, allowing them to reproduce and spread rapidly. The proliferation of boars has caused severe damage to local ecosystems. They cause increasing harm to soil, vegetation, and wildlife. Boars engage in rooting behavior, damaging soil and causing vegetation degradation, which affects the sustainable use of land. They also search for insects, roots, and small animals, disrupting the integrity of underground habitats. These behaviors alter the structure and function of ecosystems, negatively impacting local biodiversity and ecological balance. Furthermore, boars cause significant losses to agriculture. They destroy crops, damage farmland, and orchards, resulting in a major setback to agricultural economies. Farmers have to invest a significant amount of time and resources to protect their crops from boar damage, imposing additional burdens and economic losses on agricultural production. To address the challenges posed by the overpopulation of wild boars in North America, various measures have been implemented in different regions. These include hunting regulations to reduce boar numbers and improve the state of ecosystems and agriculture. Hunting permits and restrictions on hunting seasons are implemented to ensure the sustainability and legality of hunting activities. Additionally, scientific research and cooperation play a crucial role in understanding the ecological characteristics, behavior patterns, and risks of disease transmission associated with wild boars. Addressing the issue of overpopulation of wild boars in North America requires ongoing efforts and collaboration. Cooperation among government agencies, farmers, hunters, and conservation organizations is vital. By enhancing monitoring, implementing effective management measures, raising public awareness, and education, we can better control the growth of wild boar populations and minimize their impact on ecosystems and agriculture. One potential solution is to strengthen hunting regulation measures, such as increasing hunting quotas, expanding hunting areas, and improving hunting efficiency to effectively control the growth of wild boar populations. Additionally, targeted reduction of boar numbers can be achieved through capture and culling programs using professional techniques and equipment. In addition to hunting regulation, exploring innovative approaches to address the issue of wild boar overpopulation is crucial. For example, utilizing scientific research and technological advancements to develop reproductive control methods specifically for boars can help reduce their reproductive rates. Furthermore, promoting public education and awareness activities can enhance people's understanding and knowledge of the issue, encouraging more participation in wild boar management efforts.